In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just looking to expand your email marketing capabilities, setting up a new audience is a fundamental step. Let's dive into the process and walk through it together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and head to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're on the homepage, take a look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several options, but the one we're interested in today is Audience. Go ahead and click on that. The Audience section is where you'll manage all your contacts and lists, so it's an essential area to familiarize yourself with when working in Mailchimp. Once you're in the Audience section, you'll notice a button labeled Add Contacts. Clicking this button is your next step. It will prompt you with a few options, such as importing contacts or adding them manually. Today, we're focusing on creating a new audience, so we'll proceed with that specific option. When you click Add Contacts, you might see a drop-down menu or a new page with additional instructions. Follow these prompts to begin setting up your new audience. Here, you may be asked for details like the audience name, default email address, default from name, and a short reminder for your subscribers about why they're receiving your emails. These fields are crucial as they provide a clear identity for your audience and help maintain transparency with your email recipients. As you fill out each field, consider the purpose of your new audience. Are you creating it for a specific product launch, a newsletter series, or perhaps a segmented group of existing subscribers? Clearly defining your audience's purpose will guide you in managing and engaging with them effectively in the future. Once all the required fields are complete, review your information to ensure accuracy. Mistakes in this stage could lead to confusion later, so take a moment to double-check everything. When you're satisfied, look for a Save or Create Audience button to finalize the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new audience in Mailchimp. Remember, nurturing your audience is just as important as setting it up. Regularly update your email list, segment if needed, and always communicate in a way that aligns with the expectations you've set. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing!